starting to change. This is a drive that we have. Oops, we'll stop the camera. Going into town. Let me make it look over here. Sorry for all the wiggling if I'm making you dizzy.
And it's Halloween day.
Yep, Halloween day. We're going to be doing a working later on. I'm going to have my sidekick over here with me while I'm doing it, and we will be dressed up for Halloween. It's a little country store.
Wow, look at this pretty cool.
Yep.
Prettiest time of the year.
And all the old farms and working farms and stuff. And this area through here, we just passed up the graveyard that I visit a lot and get some dirt from and different things. Yep. This area all through here is also where I come and we forage a lot of our flowers and leaves and roots and stuff like that and take them home to dry. I'll try to get both sides. We're going up the mountain here, trying to hold the camera still, and he makes his turns and I go no.
We got to drive 40 miles and get to Walmart.
And that's my honey. You gotta pay attention to the road.
I could drive this blindfolded.
Since he drives a big truck, he says he does his best driving when he's sleeping. Of course, he's just kidding. Don't anybody be sending me nasty messages talking about how he's going to wreck or anything.
Trucker talk.
Did you hear him? He says trucker talk. Let me make this screen calm down a little bit more so you can see.
Switchback Mountain.
Yeah, we're almost to the top of the mountain. Almost. Still going up.
Yeah, it looks pretty way down in the valley.
Lots and lots of trees to go through, go foraging through. Lots of brush, wild flowers, all kinds of things. Roadkill.
We're on top, so we'll see what it looks like on
on top here. Hopefully you can see out. Let me hold it.
Pretty red.
Okay, well, I was going to show you all the red colors. We're going down now. There's a switchback. The roads go way down that direction, and you can see how the roads curve. Round, 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 round. We go where we stop, nobody knows. Lots of trees to come ground yourself with. Sit next to a tree or stand next to a tree. Take your shoes off. Just ground yourself. Feel the energy coming out of the ground. The roots from the trees will give off energy. So if you're feeling stressed, you can see mountains over there. If you're feeling stressed and just worn out and you need energy, it's great to find an area like this. And it go around.
Horseshoe
And,
town here. Oh, those are pretty.
Yep.
I love this time of year.
And find you a good tree and ground yourself, and you will feel the energy coming up. Make sure you take your shoes off. Make sure you're barefooted so that you can pull that energy in. And I will stop talking here for a minute just so that we can get the trees. All of the trees are changing colors, looking beautiful.
Red's my favorite. Red and orange.
Those pretty red ones there. Sorry for any glare that's on the windshield. It's very cold today. I'm not about to roll the window down and stick my hand out and take a chance of dropping my phone or getting sick from the cold air. Plus, you probably couldn't hear me talk anyhow from the wind blowing. It would be picking up all of that. And another.
God.
He calls them horseshoes. I call them switchbacks.
Same thing. Just think you had to drive this twice a day, every day to get to work.
Yep, in the winter when it's frozen, when it's cold and all snowed over and icy, and I drove this twice a day. But no more, because Bonnie said I can work from home, do what I'm doing at home.
Now,
Saves a lot of gas, but yeah, he drives to Colorado a lot. And
every week?
Yeah, well, I was going to say when the temperature was bad, but before I said that, you and I'll go ahead and stop it here. We're almost down to the bottom of the mountain. Thanks everybody for watching the video. Please hit like, subscribe, and
Happy Halloween.
yes, happy Halloween. And even though this is showing you all the trees and stuff, I did get in the bit about grounding yourself out in nature.
Banana trees.
Thank you for watching and have a great day. Want to say bye?